Okay, let's look at the homework 5.2, 5.3, number 10, right? So we have the graph of f prime. So this is the derivative, right? Then we want to discuss the graph of the original function, right? So let's do that. All right, so select the correct below. Function f is decreasing, which means that the derivative has to be negative, right? So derivative is negative means it has to be below the x-axis. So you can see that it's kind of hard to see, so I'm gonna make it bigger. All right, so you can see that it's below the axis starting from -3, then all the way to actually positive infinity. All right, so let's close that. All right, so starting from -3, oops, I want parentheses, all right, -3 to positive infinity. All right, so we have that. Let's see, check that. All right, got that. Alright, function f is increasing, so you can see that here is above the x-axis, so that's positive. So that's negative infinity to -3. So it's going to be negative infinity to -3. Right, then check that. Alright, got that. Right, then it says that the function f has local max. Okay, so local max. So you can see that here above increasing turns into decreasing, right? So it's increasing turns into decreasing. So it's going to be a local max at the -3, right? I got that. Local minimum. So another critical number would be here. So derivative 0. But here, this is decreasing turns into decreasing. So we do not have a local minimum. All right. So we got that. All right. Graph of f is concave down. All right. So concave down means that the derivative is decreasing. So you can see that the decreasing on here, maybe we have to make it bigger. All right. So this is the derivative. So derivative is decreasing here, which just means downhill. So negative infinity to 0. And starting from, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 and a positive infinity. All right. So let's put that. All right. It's going to be negative infinity to 0. And starting from, I think it was 6 to positive infinity. Alright, so let's check that. Alright, got that. Alright, concave upward. So concave upward when the derivative is increasing, so it's between 0 and 6. Alright, check the answer. Got that. Alright, and continue. Alright, so inflection points. So we're gonna have to look at the inflection point. So you can see that it's decreasing, which means that the concave down turns into concave up, right? So and then concave down. So it's going to be at the 0 and 6. Right, check that. All right, got that one. All right, so we're gonna try to find the right picture. So first, we know that it's increasing in the beginning and decreasing afterward. So you can see that this is decreasing in the beginning, so this is not it, and this is not it, right? Increasing in the beginning and decreasing all the way. So here, but this is increasing here, so this gotta be C. Check the answer. All right, that's it. All right, that's it. I hope that this was clear.